Hey, I'd like to show you how to use custom wavetables in the Ableton's Wavetable Synth Device. Unfortunately, it's impossible to add new wavetables, but we can replace existing one. It's a bit tricky, but nothing complicated. Hopefully, Wavetable device will have the option to add user wavetables in the future. Decide which wavetable you'd like to replace. For me, it's Harmonix Science 5. Then find it in the Ableton Live app folder. Contents, App Resources, DSP, Vector, Sprites. Find the WAV file with the name of the chosen before wavetable. Be sure to back up the source file. As for me, I created a backup folder where I store all the source files. Now copy the desired table to any convenient folder. And then drop this file to an empty track in the Ableton Live 10. For now, we will only edit outgoing file with some processing. But you can also create your own from scratch, using synthesis or your field records, for example. When you're happy with the result, it is necessary to save the file in a suitable format. It should be a mono file of 16 bits and 44 kHz. Also, don't forget to set the length of the file to exactly 1024 samples. Otherwise, the wavetable device doesn't recognize the file. If you will have any questions regarding this or any other questions, please feel free to contact me using comments below. Final point is to put your file back to the sprites folder and replace existing one. That's all, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.